In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact KeyBank mobile customer support using multiple convenient methods, including phone, chat, and email. If you've ever found yourself in need of assistance with your KeyBank account but unsure where to start, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you step by step through the process, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to get the support you need. First things first, we'll need to visit the KeyBank website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address, view.key.com. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top right corner. You should see three horizontal lines which represent the main menu. Click on this menu icon to reveal a drop-down list of options. Once the menu is open, you'll want to select the Contact Us option. This is your gateway to all the customer support features that KeyBank offers. Clicking this option will redirect you to a new page specifically designed to assist you with any queries or issues you might have. On this page, you'll find a range of support options available to you. KeyBank offers a virtual assistant for those quick questions and inquiries. It's a great tool if you need fast answers without talking to a live representative. If you're dealing with specific transactions or account-related issues, you might want to opt for the online and mobile banking support. They offer specialized help with navigating the digital aspects of your banking. However, if your concern is urgent or complex, they also provide 24/7 customer service via phone. This ensures that help is always just a call away, regardless of the time or day. Now here's a handy tip. If you scroll down to the bottom of the contact page, you'll see an option to see all. This selection will provide you with a comprehensive list of additional contact methods and categories. This is perfect if you have multiple questions or if you're not quite sure which area of support you need. You can explore these options and decide which one suits your situation best. In summary, accessing KeyBank's customer support through their website is straightforward and quick. Whether your preference is to chat online, use their virtual assistant, or speak to someone directly over the phone, you have various options tailored to your convenience. Remember, having a mix of support choices ensures that you'll always be able to get the assistance you need at any time. I hope this walkthrough has made the process clear and easy to understand. Don't hesitate to reach out to your bank if you have questions or need help. That's what they're there for. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out more of our guides for any other banking tips and tricks you might find useful.